Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to sort by date in Excel, whether you're managing project timelines, tracking sales data, or organizing events. Sorting by date can help you quickly make sense of your data. Let's get started. First, open your Excel file that contains the dates you want to sort. Select the column that contains the dates. If your dates are part of a larger table, make sure to select the entire table to keep all the data intact. Next, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Here, you'll find the Sort and Filter group. Click on the Sort button. In the Sort dialog box, you'll see options to sort by different columns. Make sure the column drop-down is set to the column containing your dates. Then choose Cell Values from the Sort On drop-down. Finally, select Oldest to Newest or Newest to Oldest from the Order drop-down, depending on your preference. Once you've set your preferences, click OK. Your data will now be sorted by date. Take a moment to review your sorted data to ensure everything is in order. Here are a couple of additional tips. If your dates are not sorting correctly, make sure they are recognized as date formats by Excel. You can do this by selecting the dates and changing the cell format to Date from the Number group on the Home tab. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your data by date in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.